Hey everyone! In today's video, we're talking about installing VirtualBox on a Chromebook. And yes, a lot of people get confused because the downloads page shows so many Linux versions. So let's clear it up fast. To get started, open your browser and search for VirtualBox. Click the official website, head to the downloads section, and choose Linux distributions. From there, you'll see a long list of options, but the one you actually need for most Chromebooks is Debian 13. As soon as you click it, the download begins. Once the file finishes downloading, open the .deb package. Your Chromebook will automatically launch the Linux installer. Just follow the on-screen steps, hit install, and wait a moment while it completes the setup. After that, VirtualBox will appear in your Linux apps, ready to use right away. Now, keep in mind, if Linux Beta isn't enabled on your Chromebook yet, you'll need to turn it on first in Settings. And if you're using an ARM-based Chromebook, VirtualBox won't work, which is why some users think it's broken. But for supported devices, no tricks, no extra steps, VirtualBox installs cleanly with the Debian 13 package. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.